Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Knowi's REST Management API. All the functionality available in Knowi via the web portal can be accessed and configured and managed via the API, such as creating a user, assigning user to groups, editing user roles, creating data sources, queries, widgets, and dashboards, and as well as editing those various assets. These are all options that are configurable via the API. The documentation is segmented by categories with description assigned to each on how to use each resource and endpoint. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is enable the management API. So if we navigate to the web portal, go into settings and user settings, we can see the management API section with the client ID and client secret, which will be utilized to make calls to the API. Now back to the documentation, you can find more information on how to authenticate and the process to that and the various different resources that are within the Knowi API, such as user management, as mentioned, groups, dashboards, widgets, data source, and many more. So I've gone ahead and set up my environments. Currently using Postman for this demo. I'm going to show you how to call the Knowi API and obtain some information from there. So using Postman, I've gone ahead and set up my headers for my authorization token utilizing the client ID and client secret. And with the Knowi management API, we can call various endpoints to obtain information, such as if I wanted to find out the dashboard's information, I can pass a call to the dashboard's endpoints to return some information about the dashboards in my account. And as you can see, there are quite a few of them. And however, if I wanted to get a particular information on one dashboard in particular, I could change the resource to map to that and call the particular dashboard ID, such as 161689. Now that gives me the information about this dashboards, as when it was created, the name of the dashboard, and a few other information as well. And the same goes for other resources with various operations to retain information, update information, delete assets, edit assets, and so on. And let's do one more example showing the groups that are within this account. And similarly as well, we have a handful of groups here, and we can pull in the same information of finding out of one particular group by plunking in the group ID number and running that. Now we get just that as well.
For more information on how to get the best out of Knowi, please visit knowi.com/university. Thanks for watching and see you next time.